Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming power and access. Make sure battery is at least 20% so change is safe. Wake the watch and press and hold the current face. That gesture opens the face gallery immediately. Once the gallery appears, swipe left until you see the new plus option, or open the watch app on your iPhone and tap face gallery to pick a face there. Doing this now puts you directly into face selection, so you can choose a base to customize. Now you refine the face. Tap Edit and swipe through the panels for style, color, and complications. This is where function meets looks. Use the digital crown to scroll choices precisely. Small rotations change fonts or accent colors incrementally. For complications, choose up to 4 depending on the face layout. Pick useful ones like activity, calendar, or timer. Once configured, press the crown to save each step. This gives you a tailored face that balances glanceable info and visual clarity. To finish, press the crown to save your edits, then tap the face to make it active. Your watch displays the new face immediately. If changes done on iPhone don't show, open the watch app, reapply the face and sync. Make sure Bluetooth is on. If the face freezes or complications fail, restart the watch first. Only unpair and repair as a last resort because that resets settings. These final steps ensure the face is live, synced, and reliable for daily use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.